Good day, everyone!
I am Kayla M. Hinampas.
I'm Derek C. Aguyoy.
I am Maria Pilar Jasmine Bilawas, and we will be your tour guide today as we explore the beauty of Caraga region.
Sit back, relax, and get ready for an exciting journey through the heart of Caraga region. This time, we will going to talk about the historical landmarks and background of Caraga region. First, Agusan River. Agusan River is one of the longest river in the Philippines. While not a man-made landmark, it is a significant natural feature in the region, and boat tours are sometimes offered for visitors to appreciate its beauty. Second, Butuan National Museum. Butuan National Museum, a collection of artifacts and exhibits that showcase the rich cultural and historical heritage of the region. It is particularly known for its prehistoric relics, including the Butuan ivory seal and the Balangay boots. Major cities and provinces. The region is composed of 5 provinces, which is Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, and province of Dinagat Islands. 6 cities, which is Bayugan, Butuan, Cabadbaran, Surigao, Tandag, and Bislig, and has 67 municipalities and 1,311 barangays.
3. Cultural experience, festivals, and events. Bugkusan Festival. Bugkusan Festival derives from word bugkus, which means to unite, gather, or bind. The festival's name, Bugkusan sa Isla, translates to unity in the island. And second is Dagkot Festival. The Dagkot Festival is a religious festival in honor of Nuestra Señora Caldera. Third is Bunok-Bunok Festival. The Bunok-Bunok Festival, Marajao Carajao Festival, is an annual celebration in honor of San Nicolas de Tolentino, Surigao patron's name. The religious activity of Bunok-Bunok Festival take up to the 10 days and start with a 9-day novena and mass. Its schedule begins in the 1st of September all the way to the 19th, when the novena includes. Step 4. Population, religion, and language. Dominant language, Cebuano. Population 2020 census, 2.8 million. Major provinces, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, Dinagat Islands. The Caraga region in the Philippines has population of approximately 2.8 million people, with the majority speaking Cebuano as primary language. The region consists of 5 provinces, including Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, and Dinagat Islands.
Let's proceed to local cuisine. Here are some of famous dishes in Caraga region. First is sayungsong, a sweet steamed rice cake from glutinous rice, regular rice, young coconut, and coconut milk, sugar, and calamansi juice. Second is balikutsa, a coconut tofu from Agusan del Norte. Nilusak, mash, cassava balls from Agusan del Norte. Binanga, custard mush fish from Agusan del Sur. Mocopa wine, a wine from Agusan del Sur. Put-put ginamos, small fish with fermented sauce from Agusan del Sur and Agusan del Norte. And now let's proceed to tourist attraction. First is Mount Hilong-Hilong, Surigao del Sur, Agusan Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary, Agusan del Sur, Tagbina Cave, Tagbina, Surigao del Sur, Sibadan Cave, Tagbina, and Surigao del Sur, San Nicolas de Tolentino Cathedral in Tandang City, Surigao del Sur, Enchanted River, Hinuntuan, Surigao del Sur, Britannia Group of Islands, San Agustin and Surigao del Sur, Tinoyan Falls, Bislig City, and Surigao del Sur.
Step 7. Natural Resources and Economy. Region 13, as also known as Caraga, is rich in natural resources such as timber, minerals, and marine biodiversity, which support its economy through industries like agriculture, mining, and fisheries, and contributing significantly to the livelihoods of its residents. Indigenous groups like Manobo, Mamanwa, and Higaonon also reside in the region, speaking their own dialects alongside Cebuano.
Top 7. Fun Trivia. What is the name of the highest mountain in the Caraga region? Answer: Mount Hilo-Hilo. Trivia number 2. What Caraga waterfall is known as the Little Niagara Falls of the Philippines? Answer: Tinoyan Falls. Mabuhay and farewell. As your guide through the breathtaking landscapes of Caraga, it's been an absolute pleasure sharing this incredible region with you.
Hoping to see you in Caraga soon!